Wesson back in effect. What's up with y'all, too? Let's get to it. Let's get right into it. I told y'all I'm gonna try to get all these unboxes out today. So hey, let's go on to the next one. Let's keep it going. I'm not finna play no games. I'm about to get right to it. Another unboxing for y'all. Let's try to keep it going. Thinking about trying to edit these. I'm trying to edit these. Maybe these things or speed them up. These unboxings. I don't know. I feel like I'm taking too much time off in these boxes up sometimes. End up getting a paper cut or box cut, or whatever you call it. I don't find my scissors. I thought I could get a better cut on my actual knife, my pocket knife. What was I about to say? Yeah, I think I'm just trying to speed it up. I'm not the best editor. I'm still learning to edit as I go. I know that's crazy, but that's what's up. All right, y'all. I'm seeing it as I'm seeing it. All right, y'all. Receipt in there. Let's see. Let's get a receipt. Shoe Palace. Shoe Palace. I want to tell you what shoes on there. So Shoe Palace. As y'all can see, it is a Nike box. I think I already reversed what these is already. These. So you can see it's a smaller box. It's not in the best condition. So I thought the box would have been a little better since it's a place like that. It's a smaller box. This is a 4.5. I couldn't get the size that I wanted, so maybe I'm gonna put these up for sale. I actually saw them restocking. Yeah, I was kind of upset about that. Could have got the actual size that I wanted. Alright guys, the 4.5. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG LHM. Alright, let's see what we got here, y'all. Damn. Oh snap, I didn't even know that. It comes with a bag, I think. Dude, dope. Comes with a bag with a little moral. That sounds crazy right now. Is it a moral, a mirage or whatever? I forgot what it's called, but this is nice. It got Latin work on there. I assume it's nice. It's nice. I think this is the first time I ever got a gift in one of my shoes. All right. For the review. Let me see if y'all got a better look at the box. Part number and all. So 4.5, it said. I don't know if these were like a GS exclusive. Well, obviously it wasn't GS exclusive or women's exclusive. But yeah, these are nice. These are definitely nice. Check out the insole. It has some more of that. Artwork inside on the insole. I think these came out sometime last year. That's nice. I like that. Shoe tree. Another graphic on the insole. See if I can get a better picture. I know it's kind of dark. It's nice, right? All right. To the review. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. This shoe is decent. It's actually better than I expected. It looked better in hand in picture. It looked better in hand than it does in the picture. Okay, let's see. It's a black shoe. The majority of the black shoe is black with a little darker black lines over it. I think these might be inscriptions, but I don't say anything. It's just a design. In the back of it is the words POMB, which is also the word on the back of the. It's also the word on the back of the the bag. It's actually on the bag that it came with. These are actually nice, man. I actually wish I could have got them my size. I might end up having to go back for that still. So I think that this is our first review for a size. These sizes, a smaller size, great size, like this. I said this is a 4.5. I need to find out what POMB mean. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with all these videos and get y'all updated video on the details, so I can let y'all know the material, stuff like that, etc. All right, here's the design, the art that's on the tongue and on the toe. Shoestrings don't come laced up. There's only one. It only comes when one shoestring is black. I actually like these guys. These are really nice. Let me see if it's the same design on this tongue. It's actually different. Design on this. I wonder if every shoe has a different design. I gotta look into that as well. Nike Air. It's a simple shoe, but it's nice. It's effective. I like that. It is like I want to say a suede material. It's not about, I don't know if I would say it's a high grade. It's a high grade of suede, but it's really nice. I could definitely see myself stomping around the knees. Finding the schools to play off these colors, I feel like that'll make it super official with it. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Are these a cop or a drop, a cash, or you dashing these? Are these dope to y'all, or are y'all not feeling them? Tell me what y'all think about it. Give me in the comment section. Tell me more about it. Obviously, I can't do an on foot of these, but I'll try to give you more details, or maybe I can get a on foot. Guys, I will let y'all know. Yep, I'm not sure what I'm doing with these yet. I might give them away to a family member, friend, sell them. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Might do a giveaway. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, these is first. These is dope. We got POMB on the back of them. Yes, man, I'm starting to regret the fact that I didn't get these. Man, I've lost count of how many shoes I've done so far, but it's been a win for all of them. All these shoes, I haven't got a crappy shoes. The only thing I can say is there's been like major issues. I don't know, not major issues, but minor issues from I guess maybe from shipping, which I'm pretty sure is out of control. Like there's like a little mark on here. Like I'm pretty sure if I get a wet rag, I can wipe that off. But those are the only issues that I seem to have so far with these shoes that I'm getting. Small stuff. Usually 9 times out of 10 it could be wiped off with a hot rag, glue in there, sewing issues there. Like I said, it's not. There's no such thing as perfect. I don't think I've ever seen a perfect shoe that had no minor flaw on there. I know some people are big on that, but I don't really trip off of it unless it's like really something that bothers me. But I haven't had that issue yet. So like I said, guys, like this video if you like this content, if you like what I'm doing. If you support this channel, like the videos, comment. It's got a conversation open in the shoe community. Let's spread this material around, spread this content by sharing it, referring it to our family members, and subscribe. If you see this video, it's easy to forget about what you're watching. So if you can, pause the video, subscribe the video after, whenever you get a chance, and hit that notification bell most importantly, to get this content I'm doing. I'm consistently putting out heat. So you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can keep getting this heat. And with that, I'm out, y'all. Just gave y'all my little 360 of it. Damn. Like, comment, share, subscribe, refer to a friend, support the channel. All right, y'all good? All right, y'all want more 360? Bam. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right, Wes. Peace. Dino.